I'm gonna redo lah basically. So let's redo this and follow So first I'm just gonna do the this is the layout lah. It's optional this for you. Not really important this one. Okay. Make a wall. Okay, so I have a wall and floor here. Okay, and then I'll just gonna, this bucket is up to you. You wanna do bucket or whatever lah, container that you wanna do. Square dish also can, as long it's a container lah, you can fill up water later. Water or something. Okay, let's say this one is a container. So this one I will fill up. I will make a space inside. Okay, hamper, bags, space, extrude inside. Now it's time for me to get a proxy or any shape or primitive as a proxy for the emitter. Okay, so I'm just gonna get a sphere here and put it in the hose. The tip of this nut over here. After that, we set, like usual, you have these translate and all these in negative and 0.0 whatever. Just reset it. In the history, reset, transform. We get everything in default lah, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. Okay? So after that, apply. Okay, after that, apply. Let me isolate lah. Okay, then click this sphere, apply Bifrost. So click that sphere, create liquid, click it, and you have these right? Bifrost liquid properties, Bifrost guide properties, and Bifrost emitter props. Okay, so after that, go to this liquid. Okay, so you look at the bounding box is bigger than the size of the sphere just now. Okay, this small, and this is the bounding box. So you have to match the size of the sphere. So go to resolution, master voxel size here, 0.5. Set it to 0.005 first. Nothing's changed because
you need to reset this timeline. Now it's in 1001. So make it to 1 to 200. Okay? And go back to first frame and become like this. Okay? Looking at the bounding box here, press right after set the reset the timeline. 1 to 200. And go back to frame 1.
So double check again the bounding box and the sphere here. It doesn't match, still big. Okay, and go to the liquid, Bifrost liquid properties. master boxer size, we change to maybe 0.01. So if you play only one water drop, this happen because the emitter, right? You have to turn on this continuous emission. Then you have this to get this, right? Okay, so go back to the tap and double check the water. Okay, it's in the container, but if you keep on playing, you will go through the container and the floor. Okay, down there. Okay, to make sure it's maintained inside this bucket, you need to apply a collider. This bucket has a collider, alright? So to apply that, okay, click on this Bifrost Bifrost liquid 1 on the outliner and shift select the bucket, which is my bucket is cylinder. Shift select, not shift select, control select. Make sure you select both Bifrost liquid and the cylinder, which is the bucket here. Go to Bifrost, fluid, and then add collider. By right, the boxer will be maintained inside the bucket lah, not going through or passing through. Okay, but sometimes things happen sometimes. So if you look at this properly, you can see the boxer. There's a blue dots over here coming up and still go through the the floor and also the bucket. So to see clearly, okay, so to make it the boxer size bigger, Bifrost liquid, and go to liquid shape, point size,
liquid shape, Bifrost liquid, and then go to the tap liquid shape, point size here.
they just increase it. So you can see the blue dots clearly lah, because it's bigger already. Alright? So if you go down underneath, you can see there's a still leaking. Right? Leaking from the container. So same thing here, same goes to the end cloth and particle, whatever end nucleus system lah. So in order for you to make it more precise and the calculation more precise lah, right? You have to increase step size, right? It's under the Bifrost liquid properties container. Go down under transport. They call it transport step additivity. That is the step size. Okay? So for now, by default is 0.32. So you just increase it to 0.5 maybe. 0.5. Slowly, don't adjust and increase drastically. Slowly, right? 0.5. And see from frame 1. Whether it's still leaking or not. I think it's still leaking, but not going underneath the floor, but I can see it surrounding down there. Right? Oh no, it's okay already. Yeah, it's okay already. Everything is inside this bucket. No voxel or pixel or particle going through this. Everything is inside. Okay, so next, if you have this problem, okay, one of the things that can be solved, that you can solve, or at least lessen the burden lah, at least, right? For your computer to run.
So go to the editor here. Sorry, not editor. It's under scratch. Yeah.
It's under Bifrost liquid container. There's a scratch catch. So basically, when you run it once, it will save it as a catch lah, right? So just enable it, right? Enable it. Go to frame 1 and start to simulate again. You will catch. Go down, go to Bifrost meshing, okay, and enable it. Okay. So it becomes smoother, and it's really heavy. Okay. Same ways. I'm just gonna keep on continue simulate because I need to at least fill up at least the surface of the container, the bucket. Okay. Material, shader. Bucket, another material. And then this water, which is the Bifrost liquid mesh over here. I'm just going to select it and assign it to a new shader. And preset to clear water. Just do it really quick lah, okay? So let's say if I want to render this, set a lighting here. I'll do it really quick lah. This one, if you apply shader to all this, the water looks like water lah, of course. Right, this is obviously the shader, the texture is not there yet, but the water is here. And if it's already full underneath, by right you can see the splashes lah. The small element splashes, and this is really empty for now. Later you can try lah, right? To make this container full. I'm not sure how many frames. I think maybe around after 200 it becomes not really full, but at least quarter lah. After 200 frames, maybe about quarter of this bucket, depending on how big is your bucket lah, actually, right? Then you can apply this shader if you want to try and to see. So basically, it will look like a water lah. There. Easy or not easy? Quite straightforward, right? It's just the mental, the hardware problem. So to apply it, it's not really difficult, but depending on the hardware lah. So if you have lower spec, maybe it's quite stressful lah to simulate this. I understand it's quite heavy. Even me myself, if I same PC as yours, see that. I think you have to be patient lah with it. That's the only key. Dealing with simulation is of course normal, heavy, and stressful, depending on the size. Right? That's why I'm not showing you how to simulate ocean. Just type water. Simulate ocean is more stressful lah. Right? Okay, just want to show you another stuff that you can apply. You know there's a preset for Bifrost. There is a preset that you can use to start with. At least you can start from there and tweak some more lah. How do you want it to look like? So I'll show you real quick. So this is a new scene, and okay. Go to the go to the Bifrost fluid, and then let's get example here. And go to the Bifrost fluid, and you can see there's a example lah. See the ocean. If you wanna you wanna try, you can try. Instant forest. There's this one mesh later. I'll teach you. Here.
那叫什么？我也跟老师讲了我们的情况，然后老师问我们买，
This is some of the
我
examples.
就还没有让我
But
没有买。
there is another one which is more
叫他
powerful
们
than
数
this,
也没有错啊，所以我才让他们进。
which is, hold on, let me find, it's under, it's under content browser,
我觉得还是不想管。
Bifrost browser here. If you go to Windows, there's a Bifrost browser.
我这样吃。
This is more powerful and heavier lah. You can have a smoke. You can simulate the smoke by using the preset already set for you. It's just a matter of tweaking the volume, the density, and all that. Fire. Scatter pack, scatter the forest, jungle, right? Wood, fill particles.
这我还要重新直接来搞那个。
Grass, gel, fog, sand, snow, and bump, right? Multiply the spot here. So let's say the they say the burning barrel or flame torch. Okay, let's say it's flame torch. If I import this, there you go. Take note. Right, this is the node. Solver, right? Then I think this is already applied for Arnold shader. Simulation arrow, source air density. In order for you to burn stuff, you need an oxygen. If there's no oxygen, carbon dioxide is more than oxygen, it cannot be burned. It's physics, everything is physics. Right? What if you have lesser oxygen, more carbon, the smoke will become more produced. That's what happens when you're having a car. Why some of the car have more smoke coming up from the exhaust compared to the new car, let's say brand new car, because the ratio, the combustion ratio inside the engine is not balanced already. Right? Carbon is more than oxygen. So it's physics. So you need to apply all these things here. Fuel, how many fuels, and then air, how many air, right? Air density here. The temperature and all that. Then you will have this lah. Okay, so you can try this, the browser, you can try play around with it. There's many that you can explore. You just have to be patient lah, because it's pretty heavy. Okay, clear? So I think that's it for today. Live cross, very quick. And I'll show some of the examples that you can get using preset. There's no more assignment individually. There's no exercise already. Basically, once you submit the assignment form, basically it's done. Just only one left, which is the group assignment, which we'll announce and review next.